Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into Stock Diary 41. This is your host Ali Abbas. So today the market opened flat, went up slightly, tried to challenge the highs of the closing. It broke above, sustained, didn't go through this. Then some rejections came through, and then the low was broken. A price action happened, and then the market fell and did another price action and again fell. So quite a lot of trapping on the call side, put side, call side, put side, call side, put side. Again, a lot of zigzags. Sensex expiry is also pretty wild. The premiums are fluctuating anything between 50 to 400. So anyway, getting to the trades now. The opening VWAP, as you can see over here, was 52,800. Even at 12 o'clock, it was 52,800. So I decided to leave it at that and just monitor those strikes. So I'm going to take you to it right now. So on the call side, there was not much happening. This is today's. The levels, no level gave for any trade on the call option, but there was a lot of decay. It opened at around 500 plus and it ended at 224, less than half. So that was the call side. No trades on the call side today. Yesterday also there were no trades triggered because the market was quite zigzag and the indicators did not give a confirmation of any trade. Now going to the put side, here we got one trade and that was an amazing trade. We got exactly a top selling over here at 569 first target. This was at 110 on 52,800 put option. Though the premiums are high, I just wanted to leave it at that, and it gave us exactly what we wanted. Exact top selling over here. 567 first target, 521 second target, 476 third target, 385, and after that I kept trailing and I got knocked out somewhere over here. So I will just take you to the Excel sheet. There was another short trade over here which met the first target, but I didn't want to do it because it was past 315, and that is the time where it can just move up and down a lot. Premiums also being very high, I said, you know what, this one trade was enough for me, and this gave a lot of points. Let's see if we did crack the 3000 mark. So traders, this is the final Excel sheet for the month. I'll just share the summary a little shortly. First, let me just explain the last trade of the month. We got a sell option over here, 52,800 put option, 567. 1, 2, and 3 targets were captured very easily, and the trailing stop loss got hit at 464, collecting 422 points, and I fell short of my 3000 milestone by 47 points. So traders, this is the summary of June for me, where 34 trades were taken. 18 of them were given as buy signals on our trading view indicator and 16 were given as sell signals. The total points that we collected on the buy side cumulative per lot is 518, and almost 5 times of that we have collected, sorry, 4 times of that we have collected a sell total points of 2435. So on the selling side, there were lesser trades comparatively to the buying side, and 16 of those were sell, where we corrected the maximum number of points. Now this is basically because of theta decay and because of ranging market where the options start losing value, so we bank on that. Now of these buy and the sell trades, 8% of being the first target 1 was met 14 times out of 18, and that's a good percentage, and 13 out of 16, and then 16% was the second target, where either on the buy side there's a 16% increase or on the sell side there's a 16% decrease in the premium. So on the sell side we had an equal number of 16% targets met, and on the buy side 32% of the target buy price was met 5 times, and on the sell side it was met 8 out of 16 times. So if you see the overall target met on 32% per buy order, so it's less than 30%, and on the sell side it is exactly 50% success rate. So this was the summary of the trading view indicator. Now for the trading view indicator, if you would like to subscribe, it is free for 1 week and you can use that for your observation. Not necessarily that you have to trade, you can use it for your observation. You just have to email me at stockdiary41@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on the number mentioned in the description. So I thank you so much for tuning in. It was a great month. Let's look to target 3000 points in July. I'll see you then. Thank you.